Good morning, everyone. Zoe is eating a date. She really loves dates. It's basically like our candy for her because she like never gets anything sweet hardly. And she's also requested pancakes. So we're gonna make some pancakes. Zoe is drinking coconut milk from a little medicine cup. She calls it her little baby cup. She keeps asking for more. You're cute. Yeah, we're making pancakes. Do you like pancakes, Zoe? Yummy. All right, so we've got our pan over here. It's nice and warm. And now we gotta pour the pancakes in. So our pancakes are all blended up. And we're gonna pour, pour, pour. Get the big one first. There we go. And put it on the plate. Good job. Yeah, it's hot. Good job, baby. You did so good. Yummy!